this is Mark Allee and welcome to the website, markslessonsforkids.com. You ready to have your first drum lesson? You do not even need drums. All right, let's do it. Repeat after me. Boom, chick, snap, chick. Repeat after me one more time. Boom, chick, snap, chick. All right, you got it? Remember that order. Now, each one of those things I said is equal to a limb on my body. I have a right hand, I have a left hand, I have a right foot, I have a left foot. But we're only going to do 3 limbs, which is our right hand, left hand, and right foot. And parents, if you're watching this, follow along. You and your child can both do this together without the drum kit. You ready? Boom is your right hand and right foot. And you're going to place them down at the same time. And you're going to say out loud, boom, like so. Boom. Got it? Next. You remember what the next one was? Chick. Exactly right. Chick. So your chick, you're going to take your right hand and you're going to hit it on your right leg and just go chick. Don't lift up the foot. It's just the right hand. That's it. Chick. Got it? So far, boom, chick. Now, right hand and left hand are going to come down together on both your knees. And you're going to say snap. So you're going to say snap. So the whole thing goes boom, chick, snap, chick. But we're not done yet. There's one left. Chick. Exactly the same thing you did at the beginning. Chick. That completes it. The whole thing, boom, chick, snap, chick. All right, so now put it all together and let's make it a little bit quicker. Boom, chick, snap, chick, boom, chick, snap, chick. Keep going. Boom, chick, snap, chick. Say it out loud. Boom, chick, snap, chick. Boom, chick, snap, chick, faster, boom, chick, snap, chick, boom, chick, snap, chick, boom, chick, snap, chick, boom, chick, snap, chick, boom, chick, boom, chick, snap. Got it? You just played some of the most popular songs that you've ever heard. Billie Jean by Michael Jackson. AC/DC, Back in Black. Uptown Funk by Bruno Mars and Mark Bronson. I Won't Back Down by Tom Petty and the Wallflowers, One Headlight, just to name a few. All right, did you get it down? Good. Now let's see how it applies to the drum kit. Ready? Let's go. All right, the fun part. We're playing drums now. Chick is hi-hat. This is called the hi-hat. Look up high. Think if you have a hat on. Point to it. Hi-hat. Bass drum. And this is called the snare drum. So your right foot is on the bass drum and your right hand is on the hi-hat. So you're gonna go boom, together, just like that. Just chick. Snap is your right hand and left hand together on the hi-hat and snare drum at the same time. And then chick is by itself. Put the whole thing together. Boom, chick, snap, chick. Again. Boom, chick, snap, chick. A little faster. Boom, chick, snap, chick. Boom, chick, snap, chick. Faster. There you have it. You're playing drums. I hope to see you really soon, online and in person. Let's have some fun.